In today's video, I will walk you through how to create progress bars in Google Sheets. Start with your tasks in column A and your progress values in column B. Make sure the values in column B are decimals, not percentages, so 80% becomes 0.8 and 60% becomes 0.6. If needed, divide by 100 to convert them into decimals. Next, go to column C, where the progress bars will appear. Click cell C2, right next to the first value in column B. Enter this formula exactly. =SPARKLINE, B2, chart type, bar max, 1, color 1, green. Press enter to display the progress bar in the cell. After that, select cell C2 and use the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell to drag the formula down through the rest of the rows. This will copy the formula and automatically adjust it for each task. Each row will now show a progress bar that matches the percentage in column B. When you update any value in column B, the progress bar in column C will update automatically. That's it. Your spreadsheet now displays clear visual progress bars next to each task, making it easier to track completion at a glance.